So let's talk about bookkeeping systems. We all need bookkeeping of some sort. Some people do it internally. Some people, have other companies come in and help them with that. How can a bookkeeping system, again, help us as managers to make management decisions?
Good solid bookkeeping systems, as we spoke about before a little bit, are essential in order to get good data coming out the other end. So one of the important points here, besides systems and mechanisms that ensure people are doing their jobs, which of course is central to a good bookkeeping system, but another really important aspect of it is the software that you choose, for example. And there's a lot of different options on the marketplace. So doing a little bit of research in this area can be really, really beneficial, because some pieces of software are going to sort of more naturally fit. There's even software specifically designed for different industries, and sometimes people aren't even aware of that. They may use some of the standard off-the-shelf pieces of financial software, which could be good enough for a business at certain stages, but if your business is evolving in your particular industry, you should always look around, because there may be something that's custom designed very closely for your needs, and the benefits that can come from that are really far-reaching, because it then connects in to other aspects of the business, not just the financial component, but can tie more nicely into everything from sales all the way back to the inventory and purchasing and so forth.
When we take a look at reviewing our financial statements, I think many business owners have traditionally kind of waited till the end of the year to have that big review with the accountant. I've just heard a story recently where a businessman, upon that review, found fundamental issues that had happened with bookkeeping throughout the previous year. He made some changes and then found out the same thing at the end of the next year. So how can we take our financial statements and actually bring them more into life, so we're not just kind of waiting till the end of a fiscal period for that review?
So that's called abdicating rather than delegating. In other words, I'm sort of having somebody else do something and I'm ignoring it and assuming it's just being taken care of until I take a look at it at the end, rather than being sort of actively involved in the process. And that's a lot of what we're saying here, isn't it? Is make sure that the business owner and senior management are actively involved on a regular basis, not doing the bookkeeping.
So you don't have to do it.
Not doing the bookkeeping, not doing the accounting, but being aware of it, being involved in it, being on top of it, understanding the numbers on an ongoing basis. And so it's really, really important that the reports show up in a timely fashion.